Good morning, students. Let's continue with our English classes. So today in this video we are going to discuss chapter number 5, question number 5, ABCD of Total English. So as I have told you earlier, you should read this paragraph twice. Only in the third attempt you are supposed to write down the answers. Don't copy down the example. Let's see the paragraph. In a first, scientists have found that zebras can manipulate their black stripes to control their body temperature. The research, published in the Journal of Natural History, shows that it is a special way zebra sweat cools down and the small scale convection currents are created between the stripes which aid evaporation. They also found that zebras can erect their black stripes further to aid heat loss. These three elements are key to understanding how the zebra's unique patterning helps them manage their temperature in the heat. Now, next question is the preposition writing. So, fill in the blanks with an appropriate word. I agreed with him on all points. He seems to be quite taken by the idea. He puts aside or away some of his pocket money every month. We shall have to bring this matter forth at the meeting. The scheme has fallen through for want of funds. What has been its effect on sales? Go and look it up in the dictionary. The kidnappers were under pressure to release the child. Now coming to C question, join the following sentences to make one complete sentence without using and but so. Anu helped me, otherwise I would not have completed this task. I would not have completed this task if Anu had not helped me. There is one answer. I would not have completed this task, if Anu had not helped me. Full stop. But for Anu's help, I would not have completed this task. But for Anu's help, I would not have completed the task. The next page. Mr. Khosla is punctual. He could not be late. He cannot be late. Mr. Khosla cannot be late. You can use any one of these as, since or because. As he is punctual. Mr. Khosla cannot be late as he is punctual. You did not complete your project. You did not complete your project. Kindly tell me the reason. Kindly tell me the reason why you did not complete the project. Kindly tell me the reason. Otherwise, kindly tell me why you did not complete the project. Both you can write. Kindly tell me the reason why you did not complete the project, your project. Otherwise, kindly tell me why you did not complete your project. Come back soon. We will wait for you till then. We will wait for you till you come back. We will wait for you till you come back. Next one, do as directed. I have told you that example also you must read. He is too ill to go to school. Use so ill. He is so ill that he cannot go to school. Besides keeping a watch on his movements, the police tapped his phones. So you are supposed to use not only but also. The police not only kept a watch on his movements but also tapped his phones. Nobody will deny that she is honest. Everyone will admit that she is honest. But for your help, I would not have succeeded. If you had not helped me, I would not have succeeded. He has lived here since the day he was born. You have to use life. He has spent his life here since his birth. He has spent his life here since his birth. The principal promised to look into the case. You have to begin with the principal said, I will look into the case. The principal promised to look into the case. The principal said, comma, inverted comma, I will look into the case, full stop and close inverted comma. Although I have known him for long, I have not developed respect for him. In spite of knowing him for long. In spite of knowing him for long, comma, I have not developed respect for him. John did not understand the reason for Anita's annoyance. John did not understand the reason why Anita was annoyed. John did not understand the reason why Anita was annoyed. Nobody in our team can run as fast as Tom. Tom can run faster than anybody else in our team. Tom can run faster than anybody else in our team. So children, this is the answers of chapter number 5. And please complete your exercise work and start doing exercises of chapter number 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 also. Because this total English book is your practice book. And surely I'll be discussing the answers also afterwards. So now I'm going to give you some homework. So just take out your copy and copy down the sentences and try to write the answers. In the next video, I'll be giving you the answers. Before that, you just try to write your answers. So here, fill in the blanks, fill in each of the numbered blanks with correct form of the words given. So this is one. Lokesh refuse all offers of assistance. Collect a bottle of brandy from the larder and retire to his room. However, at lunch time, he sent down for a bottle, and at tea time, we hear him singing loudly. After the third bottle, at supper time, mother sent Mohan up to see if Lokesh was all right. There was a long silence, followed by Lokesh's voice raised in wrath and Mohan's plead voice. Mother, frowning, stormed upstairs to see what had happened. The bedclothes heaved and Lokesh's tousled head appeared from the depths. Now this is a fill in the blanks with appropriate words. The cook is putting something dash the oven. The dresser is dash the mirror. The shelf is dash the washing machine and table. The box is dash the table dash the basement. The dishes are dash the cabinet dash the dining room. The kitchen is dash the first floor dash the house. The computer is dash the room dash the third floor. And the play is dash Monday dash 9:30 in the night. Now join without using and but so. It rained heavily, we could not leave the house. His only son died before him. He was a boy of great promise. He is not a liar, he is not a thief. I have to wait for the bus every day, I can't stand it. Now do as directed. She told me that her father was ill. You have to use of instead of that. He will issue the check when he hears from the head office. Use on in place of when. He did not need to hurry. Begin it. The policeman said to the driver, take the third turning to the left and drive straight into the garage. Begin. The policeman told the driver. The girl was so smart that he could not deceive her. Begin with, the girl was too. As soon as the rain started, people ran for cover. Begin with, no sooner. Has the team won the match? End with the team. Sridhar took a red bus. Begin with, the bus. So this is one set of question, and I want to give you one more set. And this is your homework, children. We'll discuss answers in the next class. Here, fill in each of the numbered blanks with correct form of the words. Do not, but just when Ravi had almost give up hope, he was struck with a brilliant idea. His birthday was due fairly soon, and if he dash deal with the family skillfully, he could suggest to the family that instead of let them choose his presents, he may tell them the things that he want most. In this way, they could be sure of not dash disappoint him. In bracket, disappoint should be in bracket. It should be in bracket. Then fill in the blanks with appropriate words. I refrained dash telling the truth. Then comes the next one. The president countered dash the support of the people. The public is cautioned dash pickpockets. The mother escorted her daughter to school as she was anxious dash her safety. Their path was beset dash difficulties, yet they succeed. The cat crept stealthily dash the mouse. It was good dash you to invite me for the picnic. Smoking dash public places is now banned. Then join without using and but so. You will surely miss the train. Hurry up. The trekkers got lost due to the heavy fog. They misplaced their maps as well. She has to apologize. He will not meet her again if she does not do so. So he will not meet her again if she does not do so. I wear this expensive outfit very sparingly. I bought it last month. Now do as directed. Don't change the meaning and the tense also. Unless Ramesh takes care of his health, he will not be able to look after his family. Begin with Ramesh must. His arrogance was the cause of his losing the election. Rewrite the sentence using arrogant. If you are not a member, you cannot borrow books. Begin with only. His ignorance was the cause of his failure in the interview. You have to use despite. If you are not above 18, you cannot watch the movie. Begin with only. The girl asked the robber, what will you do if I call the police? Change into reported speech. The flyover is being built in a hurry. Begin with they are. Freedom is the most precious gift that a man can have. Begin with there is. So children, this is your homework. Please do it in the next video or in the next English language class. I will be discussing this. Thank you. Have a nice day.